Okay, number 5 is a dilation. That means we're going to enlarge or reduce, and it's a scale factor of a half. So since that's a fraction, it's going to get half the size. It's going to reduce and get smaller. So let's write our original ordered pairs, and then we will cut them all in half. So the original A, let's start in the origin, goes back 6, up 4, so negative 6, 4. And B is forward 4 and up 2. And C is forward 2, down 2. And D is back 8, down 8. So negative 8, negative 8. Okay, now we have to write our new ordered pairs with a scale factor of a half. That means it's going to become half the size, or divide by 2. Okay, so starting here, half of negative 6, or negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and half of 4 is 2. For ordered pair B, half of 4 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. I'm cutting everything in half, scale factor of a half. This one becomes 2, negative 1, and this becomes negative 4, negative 4. Now plot these new ordered pairs, and we should have a smaller figure. Okay, A prime, negative 3, positive 2 is right here, and label it A prime. Okay, B prime is forward 2, up 1, label it B prime. Letter C is forward 1, down 1, label that C prime. And the last one, D, is negative 4, negative 4. Right there, and label it D prime. And then connect. So you can see we've reduced the figure. Now let's write the similarity statement. These figures are similar because they're the same shape, but not the same size. So we say figure ABCD is similar, that's just a squiggle, to A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. Okay, number 6, we're going to translate. That means slide 6 down and 7 to the left. So start with whichever ordered pair you want. I'm going to start with letter M. And we go 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 7 units to the left. Let me change colors here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puts us right there. Then plot our point. Boom. That's M prime right there. Okay, I'm going to go with L next. Let's go 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. Plot my ordered pair. And label it L prime. Okay, let's do K next. 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And plot that point. And then finish off J. Okay, and J would be right here, and label it J prime. And connect. Okay, so we have twins or congruent figures, so let's write the congruency statement. So these are the same size and the same shape, so JKLM is equal and it's congruent to, so equal sign and the squiggle, congruency, to J prime, K prime, L prime, M prime. That's your congruency statement. Okay, a reflection about the y-axis. That means this is going to flip over the y-axis. So count the number of spaces from the y-axis and reverse it. Okay, so L is 1, 2, 3 blocks away, so reverse, and go 3 blocks this way and put L prime. Now do the same for M. K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right there. Label it K prime and finish it off with J. Okay, J is over 9. So reverse and go 9. 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. Then connect and write your congruency statement. You can see we flipped here, so then our congruency statement, J, K, L, and M is the same size and the same shape to J, K, L, M, the primes. Okay, last one, 180 clockwise. So, and it's about the R. So R stays anchored. R is going to stay there. And we're going to move 1 point at a time. So if I take this point, Q, 90 degrees, let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 5 blocks long. So 90 degrees would be 1, 2, 3, 4 up here. 180 is just going to completely reverse it. So it's going to be 1, 2, right over here. I'm looking at S next. It would just be the complete opposite side. So instead of being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks down, it'll be 5 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be here. And label that S prime. So that would mean that the T would be over here. And then once I've put all my points down, connect to make the figure. So now every point has rotated about R and it's congruent. Let's write our congruency statement. These are the same size and the same shape, so they are congruent.